Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about the pseudo code. So pseudo code is nothing but it is a form of structure English that describes the algorithm. Means it is just like English language, but it describes the algorithm. So it facilitates the designer to focus on the logic of an algorithm without knowing the syntaxes of any programming language. So it allows the designers to focus on the logic without knowing the syntactical rules of any programming language. So next, it is a compact and informal high-level description of an algorithm that uses the structural convention of a programming language. So it is a compact and informal high-level description of an algorithm. So it describes the algorithm. So next, pseudocodes are an outline of a program that can easily converted into any programming statements. So pseudocode provides an outline of a program. So these outlines, these statements are easily converted into programming instructions. So the main purpose is to enhance the human understandability of the solution. So to understand the solution regarding a problem by using any programming language, so here the programmers are writing the pseudocode. So pseudocode is nothing but it is a structure like English language that describes an algorithm. So it describes it is used to focus on the logic of the algorithm. So without knowing any languages syntaxes of any programming language. So next we will discuss about the keywords are used while writing pseudocodes. So first one is if condition. So we can write the if condition like if condition then sequence 1, so else then sequence 2 and end if. So next while statement. So here while statement we can write the pseudocode like so while condition. So next here we are defining sequence of statements and while. So next case expression we can define the case values like so case expression condition 1 sequence 1 condition 2 sequence 2 other means default sequence. So case expression having multiple conditions, so based on the passed expression of matching with the value which is specified in condition, so the appropriate sequence will be executed. So if the passed expression does not matches any one of the condition expression, then the default others block will be executed here. So in this case expression end with the end case. So next one first statement. So first statement is also called as a iterative statement or looping statement. It is used for execution of the statements repeatedly. So syntax procedure is for iteration, bounds, sequence, end for. So end for is a statement which indicates the ending of the first statement. So here while statement is also called as an iterative statement. It is used to repeat the execution of the sequence as well as the condition is true. So when the condition is failed, automatically exit from this while sequence. So next examples for pseudocode are, so first addition of two numbers. If we are taking addition of two numbers, so in this case first we are writing read the value 1 and store it to a. So read the value 2 and store into a b and calculate the sum equal to a plus b, and here we are printing the result print sum end. So next finding the biggest number. So first we are writing first we are reading first value and storing into a, so reading second value and storing into b. So next here we are checking condition if a greater than b, so next print a, else if a less than b, so then print b, so else both are equal. So here we used two if conditions, so two end if statement, and finally end the logic of the program. Okay, thank you. This is regarding pseudocode. So pseudocode is nothing but a English like language, so which describes the algorithm, and it is used to focus on the logic of the algorithm, so without knowing any programming language syntaxes. Okay, thank you.